వెల్కమ్ టు అవర్ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ లోకల్ టీచర్స్. మీరు మా మీద పెట్టుకున్న నమ్మకాన్ని ఖచ్చితంగా కాపాడుతాం. ఓకేనా? మా ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసినందుకు అందరికీ ధన్యవాదాలు. టుడే వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు డిస్కస్ హౌ టు ఫైండ్ నార్మల్ టు ఏ curved surface. How to find normal to a curved surface. See here, so in order to discuss this we have to do one activity. So this is given in Telangana State SSC textbook. Okay, so that activity is nothing but here activity 1, finding normal to the curved surface. For this activity we require one foam or thin rubber and pins. Okay, so by these two equipments we are going to find how to draw normal for a curved surface. Okay, so first of all arrange that two materials as shown in figure 1. See here figure 1, this will represent thin rubber layer or foam. So the shape should be, it is in plane mirror. It is like plane mirror. Okay, so here each pin represents a normal to the surface. Okay, so here when the light comes in this direction, so it follows along the pin, it will return in the same direction. If the light follows the pin, so it will return in the same direction. Incident, in which path it is incident, in the same path it will return. But here when this light comes to fall and we put the pin, okay, so at which angle it will fall on the surface where we kept this pin. Okay, in the same angle it will reflect with respect to the pin. Here pin act as normal. So light ray ఏ angle లో వచ్చి ఇక్కడ ఇన్సిడెంట్ అయిందో with respect to pin, అదే సేమ్ యాంగిల్ తో ఇట్ విల్ రిఫ్లెక్ట్. సో హియర్ దీస్ పిన్స్ విల్ యాక్ట్ యాజ్ నార్మల్. సో ఫర్ దిస్ ప్లేన్ మిర్రర్, ఇఫ్ ఏ లైట్ ఫాలోస్ ద పిన్ వే, ఒకవేళ రే కనుక పిన్ ఏ వేలో ఉందో అదే వేలో ఫాలో అయిందనుకో, సో హియర్ దట్ ఇన్సిడెంట్ అండ్ రిఫ్లెక్షన్ విల్ బి సేమ్ పాత్. ఓకే, సో నెక్స్ట్ హియర్ కమ్ టు figure 2. So in this figure we bend that rubber inside. So we fold the rubber inside. Okay, so observe here the distances between the pins. Okay, so in the previous case the distance will be same, but when we bended that rubber, so observe the heads of the pins, the distance between the pins are decreased. So here, so consider if a person is standing here, he is observing the pins like this. What happens here, it tends to meet all these heads of the pins at a common point. మనకు ఎట్లా కనబడుతుంది, ఒకవేళ ఈ పిన్స్ హెడ్ ని కనుక ఎక్స్టెండ్ చేస్తే అన్ని తలకాయలు పోయి ఒక దగ్గర కలుస్తాయని అనిపిస్తుంది. సో వెన్ వి సా these heads like this in this manner, so we will feel that they will meet at a common point. So here we are saying that this tends to converge. So what is the meaning of converge here? So here this we are saying tends to converge at a point. Converge is nothing but all will meet at a common point. So all will meet at a common point is converge. So here also the pins are converge at a common point. C, that point C is called center of curvature. That point C is called the center of curvature. Okay, so this bended surface or rubber will represent a concave mirror surface. It will represent a concave surface. Okay, next go for figure 3. So bend the rubber outwards. Bend the rubber outwards. So observe here the distance between the pins are increased. The distance between the pins are increased. So here the pins are seems to be diverged. Pins are seems to be diverged. That means here diverging is nothing but to move in a different direction from a common point. That means moving in different directions from a common point is nothing but if a man is standing here, so he is looking the pins or the lines which are coming from a common point. How we are getting this common point? Just extend the pin lines back of the mirror. These are will meet at a common point C. So here also C is nothing but center of curvature. Simply see here in the first case it is plane mirror. At which angle the light fall on the contact of the pin, it is same angle it will reflect. Here the pins are seems to be converge at a point. Here in the last case, in the convex curve shape, so here the pins are seems to be diverged. Okay, so here so by this we are going to conclude that so if we want to draw a normal, that is very simple. Just draw a line from that where we require the normal, from that point to draw a line to the center of curvature. So from the mirror point to the line is drawn towards the center of curvature is called normal. ఏం లేదు రా భయ్, ఇలా కన్ఫ్యూజ్ కావడానికి కూడా ఏం లేదు. మనకి ఎక్కడ నార్మల్ కావాలి? ఆ మిర్రర్ పాయింట్ నుంచి, ఆ మిర్రర్ సర్ఫేస్ నుంచి జస్ట్ మీరు సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ కర్వేచర్ కు ఒక లైన్ డ్రా చేయండి. దట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ ఏ నార్మల్. సో ఇఫ్ వి బెండ్ foam inwards, it is represents concave mirror. If we bend outwards, it represents a convex mirror. If we leave it as it is, so that foam or rubber represents a plane mirror. Okay, so let us see. So here we are going to draw normal for a concave surface. Okay, right. So finally here we are going to draw a surface for concave mirror. Right. So consider here, so this is a concave surface. Okay. So concave is nothing but bended inward. So inside it is a smooth. Okay. So here it is the principal axis. Okay. So here the light, the incident ray is coming like this, which is parallel to the principal axis. When it incident or fall on the concave surface, it reflects like this. So this is R, incident ray. So this is reflected ray, small r. So for this we want to draw normal. So drawing normal is very easy. From a point we require normal. Just from that point to draw a line to center of curvature. So this line represents normal. So by drawing this normal, what happens here? So for this here, the angle of incident equals to angle of reflection. So what is the function of the normal? So normal will bisects the total angle in between incident to reflection. Incident కు రిఫ్లెక్షన్ మధ్యలో ఉన్న యాంగిల్ ను మనం నార్మల్ డ్రా చేయగానే అది ఈక్వల్ గా డివైడ్ అయిపోతుంది. సో వీ కెన్ రైట్ హియర్ యాంగిల్ ఆఫ్ angle of incident equals to angle of reflection. So here this point is called here geometric center. Geometric center, or it is called midpoint of the mirror. Midpoint of mirror, or it is say pole. So it is denoted by P. It is denoted by P. Okay. So this C is nothing but here. This is nothing but here. Center of curvature. So it is the center of the sphere. It is the center of the sphere. So from where we are getting this curved surface? So curved surface is nothing but a spherical mirror. Curved surface is nothing but a spherical mirror. It is a true portion of the sphere. For suppose consider this is a sphere. This is a sphere. We are selecting or we are dragging a one part of true part of the sphere outside. So this will become a curved surface. If we represent like this, so it is concave. If we represent like this, so it is called convex. So here inside is smooth. So here outside is smooth. This is concave. This is convex. Okay. So by this only we are getting concave and convex surfaces. దీని బెస్ట్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ అంటే ఏం లేదు రమేష్, ఒక రబ్బర్ బాల్ తీసుకోండి, దాని ఎడ్జ్ ఇట్లా కట్ చేయండి. దాని రబ్బర్ బాల్ తీసుకుని ఎడ్జ్ కట్ చేస్తే ఎట్లా వస్తుంది రమేష్? ఇది రబ్బర్ బాల్ అనుకుందాం, దీని ఎడ్జ్ కట్ చేస్తే ఎట్లా వస్తుంది? So this represents concave. This represents convex. Okay. So concave or convex is nothing but, so these are the spherical mirrors which are true portions of the true sphere. Okay. So here we are identified midpoint or geometric center of the pole, and we are identified center of curvature, and we draw this incident ray, reflection ray, and we draw the normal. So by this experiment, by this activity, so we concluded that from at which point we require the normal, from that point on the mirror to center of curvature, just draw a line that represents నార్మల్. నీకు ఎక్కడైతే నార్మల్ కావాలనో స్పెరికల్ సర్ఫేస్ లో ఆ పాయింట్ నుంచి ఒక లైన్ సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ కర్వేచర్ కి డ్రా చేయి. సో దట్ రిప్రజెంట్స్ నార్మల్. వై వీఆర్ డ్రాయింగ్ దిస్ నార్మల్ ఇన్ ఏ డాటెడ్ లైన్? వై వీఆర్ రిప్రజెంటింగ్ ఇన్ డాటెడ్ లైన్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ an imaginary line. It is an imaginary line.